Every day people spend $5, sometimes $10 on coffee, and it's gone instantly. But what if instead you use that same $5 to buy real pieces of income producing ETFs every single day? Not just numbers on a screen, actual shares, paying you income week after week. That's exactly what I'm doing with CHPY and XDTE, and it's already on track to pay me over $1,300 a year. But there's a catch. This is CHPY. This is the Yield Max Semiconductor Portfolio Option Income ETF. Currently, it's trading at $52.37. And this is XDTE, which is the Round Hill S&P 500 0 days covered call strategy ETF. Now, CHPY controls, basically monitors semiconductors. XDTE is the S&P 500. So let's break this down simply. $5 a day is about $150 a month. $10 a day is about $300 a month. Instead of spending that, you invest it. So this is where it gets really interesting. As you can see, CHPY is trading at $52.37. XDTE is trading at $36. So every single day you invest $5, you're not just investing, you're buying real fractions of shares, almost 10% of a share of CHPY every day, and almost 14% of a share of XDTE every day. That means every day you skip that coffee, you actually own more of these income machines, and both of them pay weekly dividends. So every week you see dividends hitting your account. Think about that over time. In just 30 days, you own 2.85 shares of CHPY or 4.2 shares of XDTE. In a year, now you're stacking serious positions, all from money that used to disappear. And this is a part most people never experience because you just don't see your account grow. You start seeing income hit your account regularly, weekly, from shares you built one day at a time. That is a completely different feeling than just watching price go up. But let's be real for a second. Even though the income is strong, my positions right now are actually down. And I'm going to show you. I'm going to go into my accounts here. This is my my dividend portfolio. Right now, I own 69.51 shares of XDTE at a cost of $41.17. It is trading at $36, as I mentioned, but as you can see, there's a lot of red. If you're counting on this for share appreciation, for the share price to go up, that's not going to happen. This is strictly for income. As you can see, that's my market return, my total return. But with the market return, the dividends actually help that out. They actually cut the total return down to being negative 5.55%. But this is where you see that dividend yield almost 37%. And my income, $969.66 every year. And I'm going to take you back to CHPY, because CHPY with the semiconductors, that actually was up for a long time. Did not have that sort of downward movement that a lot of ETFs have had. Currently own 19.37 shares. I own it at $57.34. It's currently trading at $52.37. Red there too. But the negative is not nearly as bad, only down 0.082. But the income, 37.57% dividend yield. Currently, I'm on track to make $417.04. So yeah, I turned $5 a day into income, but it also turned into ownership in assets that can drop in value. So the real question isn't just, do I want income? Am I okay with volatility to get that income faster? For me, this is just one part of the strategy. I'm using high-income ETFs like CHPY and XDTE alongside more stable long-term positions. Now, the important part to all of this is, if you're going to do this, that you reinvest the dividends. You're looking for income, but you're not looking for income immediately. You're looking to build income over time, because as you reinvest, it is going to build more shares, and that will get you more dividends. It will turn into a snowball if you continue to reinvest dividends. That's the catch. So, but I'm curious, would you skip your daily coffee to build something that actually pays you back every week, or would you rather stick with safer, slower growth? Let me know below. Please comment. Let me know, have you invested in ETFs? Have you invested in stocks? Is there an ETF that you like? And also, too, if you like where I'm coming from, if you like what you're hearing, if you find value in what I'm hearing, please subscribe. I will have a video coming out very soon on the opposite end of the spectrum, where I look into $5 a day into SCHD and FDVV, more dividend growth, more safer dividend ETFs. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.